Damage comparison for a AK47 with or without monolithic. 20 meters without monolithic. 33 body part damage and 39 headshot damage. Now, 20 meters with monolithic. As you can see, it has the same damage range, but let's see on 30 meters. 30 meters without monolithic. (26 body part damage and 31 headshot damage). Now, 30 meters with monolithic. As you can see, the damage has increased from 26 body part damage to 33 body part damage because of monolithic. The headshot damage is now 39 because of monolithic. As a conclusion, monolithic suppressor increases your damage output on 30 meters.